Hello, friends. Today we will start a new chapter, sentences. Firstly, we'll discuss about what is sentence. What do we mean by sentence? So, as we all have discussed in our class also, and the meaning is there in above, a group of words written in a particular order such that it make a complete meaning. So a sentence is a group of words. We are having words in a sentence and they are in a such a way, they are placed in such a way that it's making a complete sense or complete meaning. So that line is called sentence. Example. Now here you all can see the first sentence, Mohan book reading is a. So they are also group of words, but do you think that this line is making any sense to us? Mohan book reading is a. We are not getting any meaning from this line, so we will not call this line as a sentence. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is a meaningful line or thought or any idea which which is giving any meaning from it. Like the second line, Mohan is reading a book. So, this is a line which is giving us a meaning. So, Mohan is reading a book. We can call it as a sentence. The basic thing of a sentence is that always a sentence starts from a capital letter. It is having verb in it like your is, helping verbs in it, and there is an object in a sentence, and at last most of the sentence ends with a full stop. So this is your identification, how you will identify a sentence, that it is having a subject, object, verb in it, and it starts from a capital letter and ends on a full stop. Also, we will get a meaningful message from that line, which we call sentence. Now the next topic, that is types of sentences. So basically we are having four types of sentences. They are clearly visible in this picture. Number one is your declarative sentence. So declarative sentence, assertive sentence, both are same. Either you will get any one of the name, but the sentence are same, either declarative or assertive. So the first sentence I am reading. We use these sentences to make a statement. Basically, declarative sentence, we use them to make any kind of statement, announcement, any kind of idea, your thought which you are announcing, that is your declarative sentence, your feeling, anything. So in this sentence, such sentence ends with a full stop. There is a full stop at the end in the such kind of sentence. Number two is your interrogative sentence. So what is an interrogative sentence? We use these sentences to ask question, as it is also clear from the word interrogation. It means to ask something. So in this sentence we are asking question, like about things you are asking, about feeling, people, ideas. What we want to know, we are asking question about it. So basically these kind of sentences, at the end there must be a question mark, and this starts either from the helping verb or from the WH word. Your sentence can start from a helping verb like ismr, or it can start from a WH family word. So this is your interrogative type of sentence. Number three is now your imperative sentence. So imperative sentence, what do we mean by them? We use these sentences to make request. When you are making any request, you are asking, you are ordering, or your all kind of suggestion, advice, such kind of things come under this imperative sentence. So like the example it is given here, open the door please, clean the floor once again. So open the door, please. It's a request. Clean the floor. Once again, you are ordering somebody. So all of your order, your offers, your blessings, they all came in this imperative sentence. Now the last one, which is the exclamatory sentence, and this one is the easiest one. All of your sudden feeling, your surprise feeling, shock, anger, happiness or excitement feeling, they all will come in this exclamatory sentence. Like all the word like hurrah, cheer, oh dear. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentence. The identification of exclamatory sentence is that at the end you will get an exclamatory mark over there, and you are showing your feeling of happiness, of sorrow, of anger, of different thing. So this is the fourth sentence, exclamatory. I hope the sentence, the meaning and the types are clear to you. Now we will move on. Subject and predicate. What is subject and what is predicate? A sentence has a topic. It describes or talk about somebody or something. When a sentence is having a topic and from that topic it is describing about somebody or about something, that thing is called subject in the sentence. Like Mrs. Shushma teaches us English. So here we are talking about Mrs. Shushma. So she is a subject. And whatsoever is left in the sentence except the subject one, the rest all is your predicate. So it's a very easy thing. Firstly, you should know, or you must know about how to identify a subject. Subject is that you are describing or you're talking about somebody or something in the line. That is your subject, and the rest is your predicate. So this again the easiest one. This much is only there in your English sentences. What is sentence, the types and subject and predicate. I hope you learned this from this video. But if something is left and any kind of doubt is there, we will discuss that thing in your class. Thank you.